The first reaction of fatty acid de novo synthesis, and the first reaction is cytosolic acetyl CoA production. We know that acetyl CoA is produced inside mitochondria from pyruvate and from metabolism of some amino acids. After the acetyl CoA is produced, if we want that this acetyl CoA will be used for fatty acid synthesis, we need to transfer it from mitochondrial matrix to the cytosol. And the fact there is a thing that we cannot pass coenzyme A from mitochondria to the cytosol because the inner mitochondrial membrane is impermeable to coenzyme A. So we can just transfer the acetate group. So to do that, we first convert, or the body first convert acetyl CoA to citrate, and it is a normal reaction of TCA cycle where acetyl CoA reacts with oxaloacetic acid and then forms citrate. Now there is a channel in mitochondrial membranes to pass citrate from inner mitochondrial matrix to outside. Now why the citrate will go to cytosol, go to cytoplasm, and why it will not continue as TCA cycle, as a substrate of TCA cycle? The fact that if we want that dust citrate will come out from mitochondria to cytoplasm, we first have to build up the citrate concentration inside mitochondrial matrix. To do that, we have to inhibit some further reactions in the TCA cycle, and we have to inhibit in certain condition. So for fatty acid synthesis we need much more amount of energy. So first requirement of fatty acid synthesis is energy. So if the mitochondria has too much amount of ATP, this too much amount of ATP will inhibit isocitrate dehydrogenase. If isocitrate dehydrogenase is inhibited, its substrate, that is isocitrate, will build up inside mitochondrial matrix. If there is too much amount of isocitrate, the isomerization, the enzyme that is required for isomerization of citrate to isocitrate will not act upon it. So citrate will not be converted into isocitrate. As isocitrate is not getting converted into and is not getting acted upon by isocitrate dehydrogenase, so isocitrate will build up and then citrate will build up. This big amount of citrate will come out from mitochondrial matrix to the cytosol using that transporter. Now after it has come out to the cytosol, it will be acted upon by a enzyme called ATP citral This ATP citral will cleave the citrate into oxaloacetate and acetyl coenzyme. So remember, this acetate part of acetyl coenzyme is coming from mitochondria, but this coenzyme A part is not coming from mitochondria. It was present in cytoplasm itself. But the thing is, here is a statement that large amount of ATP is required for transfer of citrate from mitochondrial matrix to the cytoplasm. So if there is citrate in the cytoplasm or cytosol, that means large amount of ATP or large amount of energy is present in mitochondria. Okay, bye. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.